You have been using Chatgpt. Everybody has. And once you see these hidden features, you will never go back to the old way again. Feature number 1. Custom instructions. Most people open Chatgpt and just start typing. But there is a hidden setting that changes everything. Go to your profile. Click Custom Instructions. Here you can tell Chatgpt exactly who you are, what you do, how you want it to respond. Every single conversation after that will be perfectly tailored to you. No more repeating yourself. No more generic answers. Just responses that feel like they were made specifically for your needs. Feature number 2. Memory. Chatgpt can now remember things about you across conversations. Your name. Your job. Your preferences. Your goals. Once it knows these things, every response gets smarter, more personal, more useful. You can even tell it specific things to remember. Just say, remember that I am a freelance designer who works with small businesses. And from that moment on, it will always keep that in mind. Like having a personal assistant who never forgets anything. Feature number 3. Voice mode. Most people type to Chatgpt. But there is a voice mode that almost nobody uses. You can have a full real-time conversation with Chatgpt just like talking to a friend. Ask it questions while cooking, while driving, while working out. It responds instantly, naturally, like a real conversation. This single feature alone can save you hours every single week. Feature number 4. Image analysis. You can upload any image to Chatgpt and it will analyze it completely. Upload a photo of your fridge and ask it to suggest recipes. Upload a screenshot of your business data and ask it to find patterns. Upload a picture of a contract and ask it to explain every clause. Upload a photo of anything and Chatgpt will tell you everything about it. This feature turns Chatgpt into something far more powerful than just a writing tool. Feature number 5. Code interpreter. You do not need to know how to code to use this. Upload any data file, any spreadsheet, any document, and ask Chatgpt to analyze it. Create charts from it. Find patterns in it. Clean it up. It does all the technical work automatically. Business owners are using this to analyze months of sales data in seconds. Researchers are using it to process thousands of data points instantly. And you do not need any technical skills whatsoever. Feature number 6. The GPT Store. Inside Chatgpt there is an entire store of custom AI tools built by other people. There is a GPT for writing resumes, a GPT for creating logos, a GPT for learning any language, a GPT for legal advice, a GPT for fitness planning. Thousands of specialized tools all inside one platform. All free to use. Most people have never even opened this store. But the people who use it are getting work done 10 times faster than everyone else. Feature number 7. Advanced prompting. The way you talk to Chatgpt determines everything. Most people ask simple questions and get simple answers. But if you learn to write powerful prompts, the results are completely different. Tell Chatgpt to act as an expert. Give it context. Tell it the format you want. Tell it who the audience is. Tell it what tone to use. The difference between a basic prompt and an advanced prompt is the difference between a toy and a professional tool. And mastering this single skill will change everything about how you use AI. These features exist right now, inside the Chatgpt you already have. Most people will never find them. But you just did. Subscribe to Mindshock AI for more videos that keep you ahead of everyone else. And start using these today.